The Staten Island got hammered with about 2.5 feet of snow, but tonight roads are still completely impassable, and residents are saying the borough has been forgotten.
Now, the mayor, he's defended the city's response, saying that some conditions on the island actually just made it difficult to respond there. Lisa Rozner has been in the West Brighton section of Staten Island to tell us more. Lisa?
Well, Christine, there's a major difference between parts of Staten Island. Right now we're on Beeman Avenue, looks fine, right? But come on over to Blaine Court. Someone just spray painted, please plow, because this snow, it is rock hard. It is basically turned into ice. And if you look down Blaine Court, you see cars are basically stranded here. It looks like a plow has not come here since the storm began.
Christopher Kennedy gave up on going to work Tuesday. His car is parked at the front of Blaine Court. He's hoping he can get it out in time for Wednesday morning.
It's heart attack snow. So I come out, I do a little, I chip a little, and I go back inside. I chip a little, I go back inside. I got 2 meetings and I got a doctor's appointment, so I have to be out by tomorrow.
It's the same story on Hardin Avenue. Not far from there, in the Sunnyside section, a city snowplow stranded, just like the residents.
We need help.
And your street has never been like this before?
Not since I'm here for 20 years.
On Forest Avenue, families trekked through the knee-high snow, walking past businesses like Moretti Bakery, which didn't even open Tuesday. Further south, near a strip of businesses on Richmond Road in the Grimes Hill neighborhood, vehicles double parked because all the spots were taken by cars buried in snow. We asked the sanitation commissioner, why is it taking so long to get to Staten Island?
Unfortunately, the terrain and geography of New York City is unique in every way. Narrow streets and hill blocks just make it so much difficult for us.
And the drifts this time.
And the drifts, right.
On Hilly Cunard Place off Richmond Road, we found one resident trying to shovel himself.
I don't know what happened here, but you can see like everything was plowed up and nobody can move. A fire truck can't get down here, ambulance, nothing.
The sanitation commissioner is saying that the challenge is narrow streets, that they plow to the right. And if the street is too small, there's nowhere for the snow to go. But you can see cars here are stuck. We've seen residents getting dropped off and picked up because they need to get out. The sanitation commissioner says he is sending hundreds of extra pieces of equipment, and his goal is to get every street in Staten Island plowed by tonight. In West Brighton on Staten Island, Lisa Rozner, CBS News, New York.